Do you want a makeup set that is everything that you need all in one bag? I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to show you this makeup set that I found by NUIBO. It has everything you need: makeup sponges, brush, eyeshadow, 2 types of color of foundation. You have your highlighter, bronzer, your eyeliner pencils, tons of variety of lip stains, primer, and mascara. I really love the simplicity of this. You just start with your primer. I really just liked how lightweight but great coverage that the foundation provided. The simplicity of the highlighter stick made things so much easier to highlight all the specific areas, the sponge for it to blend seamlessly, and then to switch it and get the bronzer. And I like that I could use the brown sponge to blend it. They had this thing called a brow soap. It kind of just calms down your eyebrows. The eyeliner is so good. It's got this cat eye stamp, which I have such a hard time with, and this made this so easy. And then you can fill the rest in with the pen side. The palette of the eyeshadow was very nice, a lot of neutral, dark, and pink colors. And the mascara has this 1-2 step process. You just open the number 1 and you're going to put that on your eyelashes, and then you're going to switch to the number 2. It really just added a lot of fullness and length. The lip stains go on so well, so smoothly, and definitely felt like it was going to last. You can just smooth everything up with the brush. And I like to make sure to clean all of my brushes, my sponges, with the face wipe that I used at the beginning. And I am so happy with this flawless makeup look that I was able to achieve when I was getting ready for the day. It made me feel pretty and confident. I was so impressed with this makeup set, and I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.